Hello students, today we will be performing practical called determination of silt content in the fine aggregate. As you know all, we can restrict only 6% of silt in the fine aggregates. If more than 6% of silt is present in the fine aggregates, then we have to wash that fine aggregates and then we have to use it for construction purpose. Now how to calculate the silt percentage? First of all, we have to make the solution of 100 ml in one measuring cylinder. That solution is about, you have to take a 100 ml of water and you have to add 2 to 3 grams of salt. So this solution you have to make, that is of 100 ml. So I told you the procedure of how to make the solution. You have to take 2 to 3 grams of salt and 100 ml of water, and then you are going to making the solution of 100 ml. Then that solution you are going to add into in one empty measuring cylinder, up to 50 ml level, okay. And then the sand which we want to test its silt content, that sand you have to take, and then in this 50 ml you have to add that sand up to the 100 ml mark. When 100 ml mark will come or reach, that time you have to stop. Up to that level you have to add the sand, then you have to stop. Now the level becomes 100 ml. After this you have to add another 50 ml of remaining solution in that measuring cylinder. Then the level should come 150 ml. Up to that time you have to add the solution. So total level you have to maintain 150 ml. Means now first of all you have added 50 ml of solution, then you have added sand plus solution, okay, and then finally you have added 50 ml of solution. So the final level is 150 ml. You have to maintain the 150 ml. And now this cylinder you are going to keep for 3 hours. You are going to keep as it is for 3 hours. Then finally we will be getting the silt percentage or silt level at the top that you are going to measure. Okay, now we will perform this practical. First of all, we are making the 100 ml of solution, means salt plus water. Now that I am going to add into the empty cylinder up to 50 ml. Now we have maintained the 50 ml of solution in the measuring cylinder. Now we are going to add the sand that we want to, means which silt content we want to calculate. We have to add the sand till it reaches 100 ml of mark. Now we have maintained the 100 ml level of that solution and sand. Now we are going to add 50 ml. We will maintain the level of 150 ml. Now we have added the another 50 ml of that solution and we have maintained the 150 ml level. Now we are going to keep the cylinder as it is for 3 hours. After that, this is the observation table where volume of sample V1, that is V1 in ml, that was 150 ml before 3 hours. So we have to take 3 samples, means we have to repeat this procedure for 3 times. Then second serial number observation is volume of silt after 3 hours, that is V2 in ml. Okay, so the percentage of silt can be calculated by V2 upon V1 into 100. So that is nothing but the silt percentage. So we have to carry out this for 3 times so that we can get average reading properly. So as I already told you, if the average value of silt content exceeds 6% of volume of aggregates, requires washing before use. So this is how we are going to calculate the silt percentage into the fine aggregates.